And look at me. Beautiful. And turn your face a little towards the window. And look at me with the eyeballs. That's it. And again, looking down, please.
Like this. And like this. Very gently. Okay.
Smile. And really, can you take to the 50? And look up the dress. Beautiful. And look at me, Erin. Here. Bring your face a little bit more. Face, yes. A little bit back, a little bit back. Tilt your head a little bit. Look at me, Erin. Just tilt. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. And look at the dress up there, up there. Yes, that's it. Perfect. Big smile. The dress. Looking down at the watch. And looking outside. That's it. Hold it there. Give me 1 second. Turn it this way. Tilt it a little bit and look at me with the eyeballs. Yes, that's it. That's it. Perfect. Hold it there. You can turn it a little bit more this way. That's it. Perfect. And look down at the watch. Okay, now you can go and put it on. Beautiful. Turn around. Doubts. Check, is everything fine there? Check him. Yes, that's it. That's beautiful. And just look at me and smile. Good. Face outside. Turn. Yes, and look at me with the eyeball. Forward the chin a little bit. That's it. Good. Let me do another one here. And again, looking outside for me, please. Beautiful. Okay. And look at me. Start walking down slowly. Hold hands.
And just that's your moment. Forget about us around, okay?
Step a little bit back so you can feel each other. And you can talk to each other.
Look at the back. Crochet going to the crochet hook will hurt. Just close it. Yes.
And you can turn around. Yes. Look at each other's lips. Hold it. And look at me for one more. Smile, give me a big smile there. Beautiful. And look down at the bottom. And look at me again. Hold it. And looking out. Yes, that's it. Hold it there. Closer, look at each other. Go for a kiss. Beautiful. And now look at me. David, look at me. And give her a kiss on the chin. Beautiful. Erin, chin up. And looking up. Yeah, that's it. Give her a kiss. Beautiful. And hold it there. I'm gonna change my angle. That's it. And look at me, Erin. David, look at me as well. Now you give him a kiss on the cheek. Okay, look at that lucky man. Okay, and looking down.